How does asset allocation help in portfolio construction?
Actually, asset allocation plays a major role in portfolio construction. It's the basis or the fundamental creation of any portfolio because you need to invest in asset classes that are negatively correlated. For example, equity and debt and gold and cash and real estate. These are typically asset classes that are negatively correlated to ensure that in a market downturn, the investor is able to benefit from other asset classes that are doing well. So, this diversification lends stability to the portfolio at all points in time.
What are the different types of asset allocation?
There could be different types of asset allocation depending on the requirement, objectives, goals, and time horizon of an individual. The two broad types which are commonly used and understood by advisors are strategic asset allocation and tactical asset allocation. You also have asset allocation as per country, so geographical asset allocation. You also have as per category like large cap, mid cap, small cap in equity, and in debt it could be, or fixed income it could be short term, long term corporate bonds. So ideally the asset allocation could be delivered in a strategic manner depending on the goals of the individual, and tactical calls need to be made at various times by the advisor depending on market conditions.
How often should one rebalance their portfolio?
Rebalancing is a very important thing to do in one's portfolio because it ensures that when things are going very well, for example, you need to do a profit booking. When the markets are very high, you need to book profits and move them into safer investments. And at the same time, if something is not doing well, say there is a particular investment which is a non-performer, we typically study that for a period of 6 to 8 months before suggesting an exit. So the rebalance could also be depending on the goals of the individual or client. So it could be if there is a goal coming up, say someone's education or marriage, which is in the next 6 months. That's when we typically, rebalance it to safer investments that have less volatility. And rebalancing can also be done in terms of market volatility. Rebalancing can also be done depending on the requirements of the individual and their objectives.